Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this puzzle base in the weekend edition of Saturday, July the 1st, 2023. Already solved 3 puzzles. Sudoku with 2 stars. Killer Sudoku. Binary puzzle. And the last one for today is the Tectonic with, I believe, 0 stars. This one will be number 6687. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Twice as much, 20. Should be a 0 stars. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, we will see. 0 or 1 star. Alright, let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box. There also a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, so the 1 and the 2 contains the 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes, no triple boxes. Do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. Let me check for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes. Then the following step is looking for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 2 of those shapes, figures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Yeah, by the way, maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Alright, so let me see. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. And has also this box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5. Well, this box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 4 there. Overlook this. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then these two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Now we have 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. These two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5, and that box should be a 2. Alright. Well. Let me see. Yeah. I think this box, wait, 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 5, let me mark those. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there, now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more, that box should be a 4 and this box should be a 5. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. This box can be a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and 3. Let me mark those. 3 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2, and that box should be a 3. Alright. 3 and 5. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Alright. Then. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this area should be there. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box give me a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. This box give me a 3, that box give me a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Here, I believe, wait. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting here. Oh, those numbers are mixed. Alright. That means that this box in this area cannot be a 2 or a 5 because we have a double 2 there and a double 5 there. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright, and now now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright, 12 minutes. Definitely a 0 star. Faster than 50 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday with the Samurai Sudoku and the puzzles in the Sunday additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday.